Hi YouTube, ThinkVesting here. I'd like to share the fourth type of investor with you, and the fourth type is called the VaultKeeper. And the VaultKeeper's investment objectives revolve around intergenerational wealth. That means, they are also after wealth preservation, but they are generally looking to preserve that wealth for the next generation. Because of this investment objective, the VaultKeeper has a lot more options in terms of stacking strategy. So this boils down basically to preference. So that the stack can consist of coins, bars, or jewelry, depending on the maybe life event or future event that will trigger when they pass over the gold to the next generation. So in India or China, for example, if this was a wedding, then maybe bars or coins may not be the best option, but maybe jewelry might be an option. So so depending on that event that triggers that transfer of wealth, this kind of dictates which form the VaultKeeper will stack. So because of that objective and that stacking strategy, the VaultKeeper has a unique selling strategy in that the strategy is purely for gold accumulation. So there generally is no selling strategy because they are hoarding their gold for the next generation. So it's generally a buy and hold strategy for this gold investor. The pros for this are that the gold is generally for long-term accumulation, not trade. So they might not be as worried about prices going up and down. So once they spend the money on the gold, it is generally a sunk cost. That's about it. They buy it, they store it. But they will accelerate purchases when price dips come, assuming that they do have adequate liquidity. So one of the cons for this, one of the negatives for this kind of investor is that they will not liquidate, or they will hesitate to liquidate their gold stack, even with extremely high gold prices, because that investment is generally not for them. It is generally for the next generation. So that's it for the fourth gold investor, the VaultKeeper. I hope everyone is doing well this week. I hope everyone is enjoying the gold prices. I am generally holding back a bit more, although I have traded a bit more Singapore dollar to USD. I am waiting for a bit more of a dip, for a lower dip in the next few months, and hoping to be close to that final low before making a large purchase. Like always, I'd like to wish everyone continued prosperity and success. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly like, subscribe, and rate, comment in the space below. See you in the next videos, guys. Bye.